Interior lights replacement.
Yeah, man, so we're gonna install some light on this 2008 Mercedes-Benz C300. Let's go. All right, so this for the Mercedes-Benz from '08 go all the way up. All right, this is how you replace the doom light. Alright, so we're gonna replace the bulb to some LED bulbs that we have here, and this is how you do. You catch it from the side, so you pick it from the side and pull it out. So you just like that. Alright, and this is how it comes out. So the sides right here, that's where it clipped. So you pick it from the side or the top, and once you pick it around, it come off easily. Alright, next we're gonna move to the bulb. Alright. Woo! Yes, hot. Alright, so we're gonna replace them with these bulbs that we have from jbazzel lightning, and look, just like this. Sometimes, alright, it as you can see, if you look closely, it marked negative or positive on it. It's a plus or the minus sign. So once you put it up, alright, for instance, alright, it comes on now, but for instance, it did come on and you do this, and you see it don't work, you just take it out, turn it around, and insert it back in, just like that. And then we put the clip back on. So the big part, as you can see, that part wider than that side, so you turn it around, right, and put it up. Just like that. You see the big difference? So this is how we replace the lights on the doom light. We're gonna move to the back and do the other one as well. So show you again. Bam, you catch it from the top, you pick. Back from the side, yo. Alright, so you open from the side, then you catch it from the top. Catch it from the side. Then do this, comes right out, and then the bulb, super hot. Ooh. And then we're gonna go in just like that. Then we do the same thing, lock it back, put in the bottom part first, and then you clip it up. Alright, then the bottom after. That's how we do it. Alright, I'll replace the halogen bulb with some T10. So these bulbs are some T10 bulbs. Alright, the Mercedes Benz. So this is how we do it.